What's up, friends? Today I am here with another important video. In this video, I am going to share my experience with the best Mi remote control on TV. Do Mi remote control on TV work? Which are the best ones? I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best Mi remote control on TV 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick and Mi Box 4's 4K remote control is a compact and lightweight design. It includes a variety of buttons for navigation and control, such as power, volume, and channel controls, as well as a dedicated button for voice control. The remote also features a built-in microphone for voice commands, and can be used to control the device without the need for a separate remote control app. Additionally, the remote control has Bluetooth capabilities and can be paired with the device for wireless operation. Replacement remote controls for the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick and Mi Box 4's 4K can be found on Xiaomi's website or other third-party retailers, and should be compatible with the device. Number 2. Some additional details about this silicone case cover include: it is made from silicone, which is a durable and flexible material that can help protect the remote control from scratches, dings, and other types of damage. The case is designed to fit the remote control for the Xiaomi TV and the Mi Box S streaming device, so it should have all the appropriate cutouts and buttons to allow full access to all of the remote's features. The red color of the case is a bright and bold color that can help make the remote control easier to spot if it gets misplaced. The case is easy to install and remove, so you can put it on and take it off as needed. It is a protective cover which will protect the remote from dust, scratch, and other damage. Overall, this silicone case cover is a practical and functional accessory that can help protect the remote control for your Xiaomi TV or Mi Box S streaming device. Number 3. The Roku Express HD is a compact and affordable streaming device that allows you to access a wide variety of content from popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and many more. It comes with a high-speed HDMI cable that allows you to connect the device to your TV for high-definition streaming. The simple remote included with the device allows you to easily navigate through the various streaming options and adjust the volume and power on your TV. The device supports streaming in HD resolution, which means you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in stunning high-definition quality. It also has built-in Wi-Fi for a stable and fast internet connection. It also has a feature called Live Pause which allows to pause and rewind live TV. Additionally, the Roku Express HD has a feature called the Roku Channel which has a selection of free movies and TV shows, no subscription required. Overall, the Roku Express HD is a budget-friendly streaming device that offers a wide variety of streaming options and high-definition streaming for an affordable price. Number 4. EWO's remote control compatible for Hisense TCL On-Sharp Roku TV remote replacement is a universal remote control that can be used to control various brands of TVs, including Hisense, TCL, On, Sharp, and Roku. It comes with buttons for popular streaming services such as Netflix, Disney, Hulu, and VUDU, making it convenient to switch between different content providers. It is designed to work as a replacement for a lost or broken remote control for your TV. Number 5. This pack of 3 silicone cases offers a durable, protective barrier for your Firestick Remote controller. The cases are made of silicone material that is soft to the touch and provides a non-slip grip for easy handling. They are specifically designed to fit the 2021 third-generation Alexa voice remote control, ensuring a perfect fit and easy access to all buttons and ports. The cases come with a silicone lanyard in 2 color combinations, red and glow green/blue, which can be helpful to carry around and not to misplace your remote. The lanyard is also adjustable to your comfort length. These cases provide effective protection against scratches, dust, and other types of damage, keeping your remote looking like new. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.